everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into an enamel paint designs using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative tool that will help you to generate any AI content like maybe AI images, creative artwork, stylish visual designs, and many more. And in here, we will use these tools to create an enamel paint designs. And if you want to try these tools, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just go to the image studio and then just tap on AI designs and then just upload your photo that you want to transform like this. And then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, or if you want to tweak it or edit it as you like, just feel free to edit it. And then after that, just choose your model in here. I will choose C-Trim and then just choose your ratio, for example like this, and then just choose your resolutions and then just submit. And okay, like this, I think the result is so cute like this. It's really like enamel paint. I think it's so cool and incredible like this. And okay, that's it. Next, maybe you can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.